everyone, and welcome back to another video in my old master copy oil painting series. Today I'm diving into yet another mesmerizing piece by the incredible Frank Cadogan Cowper. This is a part of his masterpiece, Venetian Ladies Listening to the Serenade. I was really impressed from the first time I saw it. I really love the elegance, the pose, the soft lighting, and of course the hair. I started by sketching the figure first, and as always, I'm blocking in the major color areas. I'll gradually build up the layers, making them more saturated and detailed as I go. This initial blocking stage only took me one session to complete. I didn't focus on the details at this point. The main goal was to lay down the foundation and get a clearer sense of the overall composition and the major shapes. I found myself more comfortable painting this approach, blocking in the background and paint several layers. It's really helped me create a more polished look later. At least for me, I feel like it works better than trying to paint everything in one single layer or in one sitting. This painting may have yellowed over time because it was painted hundreds of years ago, so it appears warmer than the original, I guess. The actual artwork doesn't have such a strong yellow tint as it looks nowadays, but personally I kind of like that antique look, so instead of correcting it to look more natural, I just intentionally leaned into the warmer tones and adding more yellow than usual because I love that slightly antique and aged look. In this painting, I also used Yellow Lake by Michael Harding. It's a transparent pigment, but it's really strong. I love adding just a bit of Yellow Lake to my skin tone mixture, especially in the cooler areas like the forehead and the chin. It gives the flesh a nice glow without overpowering the cooler temperature. Her eyes turned out to be way more challenging than I expected. I initially thought they would be simple, but no, as you can see here, I keep adjusting them over and over again. There are so many subtle color shifts and transition in that small area, and honestly, my eyes kept tricking me. I'd either mix the value too dark or too light, but that's okay. Oil painting allows room to be intuitive, so I just keep adjusting the tones until it feels right. Another tricky area was the mouth. She had this gentle, delicate smile, and it took me a while to get that expression just right. And also, one side of her cheek is cast in shadow from the hair, which make it hard to judge the values. I often ended up painting it either too dark or too bright. It was definitely a balancing act. When the underlayer already dried, I glaze over part of the hair with brown pink. This is one of my favorite color by Williamsburg. It's transparent, and as you can see here when I blend it out, it gives this beautiful reddish tint. That rich, classic reddish brown is just stunning. For the lighter areas of the hair, I mix cadmium orange with a bit of red, and for the highlights, I added a touch of yellow ochre to warm it up. As for the clothing, well, Frank Cadogan Cowper works are always incredibly intricate. His ladies are dressed in such regal, ornate fabrics, but since my main focus here was a portrait study, I just keep the costume details fairly loose. I didn't try to replicate every single pattern or fold exactly. I just wanted to suggest the texture and flow without going overboard. Studying from the old master always teaches me so much about control, subtlety, and the thought behind every composition. There's something really special about slowing down and learning through their brushstroke. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more painting videos and master copy study coming soon.